Today, I pay a visit to a neighborhood farm, and this is actually a plantain farm. You could see several plantains planted, several plantain plants. You see the trees intertwined with other trees, such as the papaya tree over there. Papaya tree was papaya tree is actually male. It's producing male flowers. Can you see the flowers here? It's not actually female. And then we also have other plants such as the moringa. We have a number of moringa plants within here. Can you see them? We have them here, moringa plants. The moringa plants has produced a lot of fruits, and it's also flowering again. And we see many plantain trees. Apart from that, we can see cocoyam. You can also see some tender cassava plants within under the cocoyam. This had been a mixed cropping system for a long time, and now the tree crops, they are actually overshadowing other plants, as we can see. Apart from that, we see some other plants, young plants here, the okra. Can you see several okra planted in the little space provided here where plantain is not planted? And apart from that, we see yam plants here in this particular position. You see yam planted here, climbing these stems, these trees that have been mounted for staking. This what farmers do when there's no much space. They do mixed cropping. We have a number of crops here mixed together on the same plots of land. This is a typical mixed cropping system, such that we have food crops there, such as the cassava stems here. We have okra, as you can see. We have corn over there. You can also see corn standing. Can you see corn standing over there, which has actually carried cobs? And within, over there, we can see corns far away in a distance, at a distance. And then we also have other crops such as tree crops, the moringa tree, and then a lot of plantain trees that are about to produce fruits. So this is a very good mixed cropping system. Apart from that, we have vegetables such as the Saint leaf here. You can see Saint leaf in a number of plants over here. This is a very beautiful garden. The owner of the garden has done a lot of work mixing these plants together. So you can also try this. This is a typical mixed cropping system in this garden. And then this can actually produce food for a family. They have cassava, they have yam, they have plantain, they have okra, they have Saint leaf as vegetable. You can mix this with other crops such as the ugu vegetable, pepper, like chili pepper. You can plant them. And then what you do is to plant such ones in spaces provided, the interspaces between the trees, so that sun will be able to reach those plants and they will flourish and do well. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you very much for coming to see my videos once again. Remember to click the notification bell so that when I bring other interesting videos like this, you can get notified. I see you in my next video. Bye bye.